Every era, some people always look into the distance, thinking about the future direction. Every country, some people always have foresight, painting the prosperity of the nation. Each team, some people always are persistent and forge ahead, gathering the power to move forward. Push open the door to reform and opening up. China took an enterprising attitude to actively participate in the international division of labor. From a situation where numerous undertakings awaited attention to becoming a world factory, China's manufacturing industry has emerged on the international stage. Surface treatment, as an indispensable intermediate link in manufacturing, has also emerged. However, from low-end processing to high-end manufacturing, from extensive growth to intensive development, and from neglecting the environment to green ecology, are issues of the times that must be solved. From beautiful China to modernization of harmonious coexistence between man and nature, the pattern of equal emphasis on economy and ecology has gradually been advanced. A big country has a set strategy and a clear regional blueprint. Kimou Environmental has taken advantage of the momentum. As a construction operator of large-scale surface treatment industrial parks, Kimou Environmental people have not changed their original intention for 20 years and resolutely implemented the national requirements for safe and clean production and ecological and environmental protection. Unremittingly, it explores the construction and operation of the park and the development of enterprises, continues to pursue economic and social development and ecological and environmental protection, and forges ahead with the goal of creating an industry benchmark and establishing a model for water control. From the initial 40,000 square meters of land, 30,000 square meters of production workshops, and a wastewater treatment system with a daily treatment capacity of 1,000 tons in the park of Huizhou, Guangdong, to now 5 major parks in the south, north, middle, west, and east. With a total of 3.4 million square meters of land, a total approved daily wastewater treatment capacity of 102,000 tons, and a total construction area of 2 million square meters. From the conventional classification of 6 types of wastewater, simple physiochemical, biochemical, and reuse treatment processes, up to now, wastewater classifications expanded to more than 18 kinds, complete wastewater treatment systems, reuse of industrial pure water with more than 70%, and a conductivity of less than 10 microsiemens per centimeter, front-end distributed water body risk control and initial rainwater collection, treatment, and utilization. From non-professional, single-story ordinary factory buildings to public systems that meet basic needs. Up to now, a professional, multi-story, high-standard factory building that matches a variety of surface treatment processes. An underground comprehensive pipe gallery integrating water supply and drainage, fire protection, and waste heat recovery. A comprehensive water, electricity, and steam security system, as well as fully functional supporting facilities. Actively practice the new industrialization concept of integration of 2 modernizations and create a digital park that integrates information technology, intelligent control, and green environmental protection. From the electroplating production line that is mainly manual inspection, passive response to accidents, and weak emergency response capabilities, and procedure approval service only at the beginning of enterprise entry into the park. Up to now, fully automatic electroplating production line, risk control system with 3-level water body prevention and control, and secondary control of electric fire, smoke temperature sensing, thermal imaging, one-click accident alarm, multi-dimensional environmental and safety management, including specialized emergency teams, as well as full lifecycle environmental management services such as document processing, ledger maintenance, and project application, escorting enterprises to settle in and produce with peace of mind. From basic factory leasing and wastewater treatment business, serving more than a dozen customers and more than 10 production lines, involving several common plating types such as copper, nickel, and chromium. Up to now, diversified businesses such as factory leasing and sales, customization, comprehensive environmental protection management, supply of raw materials and electroplating equipment, attracting more than 300 enterprises to settle in. Over 1,000 production lines cover nearly 30 plating types such as electroplating, painting, conversion coating, and new materials. From the traditional hardware industry, which accommodates dozens of industrial workers, meager output value and tax revenue, to advanced high-end electronics, automobiles, military, aerospace, new materials, and other fields, accommodating tens of thousands of industrial workers, to drive an output value of 20 billion yuan and tax revenue of about 800 million yuan. From a local private enterprise with more than 10 people, up to now, a public company with nearly 1,000 employees, a professional talent team, standardized enterprise management, a sound corporate governance mechanism, a strong sense of social responsibility, and an international perspective. 20 years of hard work have witnessed the hard work, wisdom, responsibility, and mind of Kimou environmental people along the way. They have always adhered to the concept of reforming drives development, innovation leads the future, and constantly explored and dared to break through on the road of technological and management innovation. With the support and help of governments at all levels, industry associations, and other sectors of society, Kimou Environmental has successively won honors such as China Electroplating Demonstration Park, Intensive Demonstration Park, China Surface Treatment Innovation Park, and China Surface Engineering Industry Science and Technology Award, and holds more than 150 national patents. It has hosted many China Electroplating Park Construction and Operation Seminars and China Surface Engineering Industry Development Conference, continued to cultivate innovative development momentum, promoted the transformation and upgrading of the surface treatment industry, and promoted the healthy and vigorous development of the surface treatment park industry. The tide surges and thousands of sails compete, and the time is right. After a century of great changes, China is rejuvenating. Under the correct leadership of the Party Central Committee, anchor the overall development goals for 2035. We seize the opportunities for high-quality development of the real economy, focus on new productivity in the surface treatment industry, continue to explore the path of economic and ecological integration, and help build a modern and powerful country with comprehensive economic and social development and harmonious coexistence between man and nature. If your heart is settled, you will stick to it. Wish to have hope and be unswerving. Kimou Environmental is eager to connect heart to hand and move forward on the same road with every person with lofty ideals in mind.